Hi there, YouTube. Got your eBay delivery. Recycled envelope. Had to scratch off also the address of the sender who's reused this envelope. That makes perfect sense to reuse the envelopes because, I mean, we produce enough waste, and if we can reduce some waste, then why not reusing stuff? I'm very much pro recycling. So what have you got in here? This feels like 3 wagons. Oh, it's quite pretty. That's a sliding car wagon from the Swiss Post. That's a PTT. Beautiful. And it's, I assume it's from Lima. I'm not quite sure. Let's see the next one. This one here, another one. That's the same. Again, beautiful. Really nice. You can actually open these a bit. Very authentic. I didn't realize that you could do that. And probably there's a third one, which is the same again, which it's always good when you have more than one in a composition. It just looks nice on a layout. So these two are pretty clean and neat. All couplings are there, the buffers are there. The railing is present on all of them, here at one end. This one is a bit, I don't think this is weathering, I think that's just a bit dirty. Overall, really beautiful. Let's zoom in where we can actually see what make it is. I can't quite read it. See the Fleischmann? Yeah, it is. It's a Fleischmann. These are Fleischmann coaches. I think this it's a really nice collection of Fleischmann coaches. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.